Hello guys, so I just successfully verified my Amazon KDP account. All right, I was very scared because I've tried it for more than 5 times and they were telling me they could not verify it, and I don't know what was wrong. Okay, so I was bothered. I heard people say they tried and then there was no longer any option to try again. So having tried for more than 5 times, I became afraid, I became scared. Okay, because I had some money in my Amazon KDP account, so I don't want to lose the money at all. Okay, so until a few minutes ago, I had to just do something new. I had to try something which I'm going to be sharing with you in this video, and immediately I did that, it went once.
So guys, I'm going to go to my Amazon KDP account and then I'm going to show you exactly what I did to get my account verified. So guys, this is my Amazon identity verification dashboard. That's the identity platform on Amazon. So one of the errors I need that prevented my account from being verified was my name. My name, that place where you see full name, all right. Initially, what was there was Eric Ezeanaka Ifena. So the Eric came first before the surname, all right, which is not what was on my ID card, which I was sending to them for verification. All right, so even though the name on this account is the same thing as the name on my ID card, the arrangement was not the same. So I have to correct even the arrangement, okay, before they could successfully verify me. All right, so if you're watching me now and you have been having failed verification, even though you are using a plastic NIN card, okay, which was what I was using, you have to check the arrangement of the name. If you have three names, if you have three names on your NIN card, you should have three names on your Amazon KDP account. If you have only two names on your NIN card, you should have two names on your Amazon KDP account. It has to tally. It has to be the same thing. If not, you keep getting the error message. And then when you exhaust the grace given to verify, you are going to have your account terminated. All right. So make sure that what is on your NIN card is exactly what is on your Amazon KDP accounts. Okay. Even the arrangement, even the ones that came first, the name that came first should also be the name that comes first in your Amazon KDP account. Let me show you an example with my own NIN card right now. So take note of this name. You can see the Ezanaka before the Eric, before the Ifin now. So I'm going to show you my NIN card now. So confirm if what I'm saying is true. So this is the NIN card. This is my NIN card. So you can see that Ezanaka came first, then Eric before Ifena. Okay. So I have to make sure that even the arrangement is the same. Okay. The number of names are the same. Okay. And then I have to place the card on a black background that you're seeing right now. I have to place the card on a black background for it to now successfully verify. I used a good camera. I used an iPhone to snap this. So get a good camera, get a good phone with perfect lighting, place it on the black background and snap. Then make sure the names are arranged accordingly. All right, the same number of names, make sure they are arranged accordingly, and then you are good to go. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the bell notification. All right, I'll be dropping more Amazon KDP tips, Amazon KDP videos that will help your journey, okay, help you earn more, and so on. So I hope you get verified successfully like I did. So see you in my next video.